Hello and welcome to another Ubuntu Geeks tutorial. I'm UGeek1 and today I'm going to take a look at autokey. So autokey is a scripting and hotkey kind of software. It's very nice to use and we'll check it out. And for that we're going to run it in the latest Parrot operating system, the 4.4 version. I really love this Debian based operating systems. They focus heavily on security, so you can pentatest your security on your computer, server or whatnot. And it has a lot of features for privacy if you want to surf the internet more anonymously and that kind of thing. And they have a lot about development as well, a lot for coding and whatnot. So yeah, I really love that operating system. So we're gonna run it in a VirtualBox here. So I have it loaded it up here. So let's go ahead and check for Parrot. It's easiest to download the .deb files from the Debian website. So I have the links here. I can add them in the description box if you're running Debian as well. For other systems it's fairly easy. It's like sudo apt-install let's see, autokey-gtk. It's fairly simple. But for this you want to go ahead and download the latest on the common autokey and the GTK, and just download them from wherever is suitable for you. So I have them here, and you just go ahead and install them through the gdebi package installer, and they will be installed. Very simple. Like, go ahead and run it. I have it already installed here. So when you have that installed, you can go ahead and run the program. We can check out the other programs a bit quickly here. They have a lot of software in this version. Here we got the autokey now. And they also have the Compton graphical manager, some archive managers, password safety, and a lot of additional software. Excuse me. You can also surf anonymously by just starting up the anonymous surf. And you can change your exit node to select which country you want to look at when you have changed the IP. You can check your IP. A lot of cryptography as well, some basic software, and then we have the penta testing and security testing here. A lot of software here that you can go ahead and use, and a lot of programming as well, and some basic sound and video and system tools universal. So let's go ahead and open the autokey. So let's take a look at what we have here. So they have what they called addresses, folders and phrases and scripts. So you can run a script on a program or a phrase in a text or something. So let's go ahead and just try a phrase. Let's say installation or something like that. So I want this to do an installation of some sort. So if we have been in a Fedora, like dnf install blah blah blah, or in Ubuntu we go sudo apt-get install. Let's say we're in Ubuntu and we do. I'm usually more keen on that, so let's save that. And we're gonna go ahead and add an abbreviation, and we're gonna go and add like .il. So let's add that. Okay. Oh, excuse me, il. So it seems that we have some issues here with trying to add an abbreviation here. But if we just check out my other version here on the Ubuntu one, I have an autokey running here, and I have done an installation kind of phrasing here. I just added the sudo apt-get install, and I have the -i and the Control-E as a hotkey, and I'm using my mate terminal. And by pressing the Control-E, you get the little text here. So yeah, it runs very fine. You can do a lot with the scripts. I don't know why it's didn't accept my abbreviation for the Parrot one here, but maybe I can check that out later. But yeah, it was just a little quick check on the autokey little program here and checking out the Parrot. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.